Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel, and today 4 of the 12 days of Christmas. So I really hope that you guys are enjoying this series, are enjoying all the projects that we are putting together. I am definitely having so much fun playing this bingo and kind of discovering what projects we are going to be making. So before I make my selection for today, I want to remind you that this series is a giveaway, so make sure that you're leaving a comment, make sure that you leave a like, share if you could, and also make sure to go visit my friend Debbie and see what project she has for you today. So now let's go ahead and select the next prompt. So let's just see. So far we have ornaments, holiday season, and snowflake, and so we can either make a line this way or line this way. So if you're playing the bingo, which by the way it's a free download on my website, you can just download it, print it out, and play your bingo right along with us. Let me know which options have you been getting, so put them in the comments so I can see where you guys are, and also let me know if you probably make a bingo before me. Okay, so now let's select one of these. This one is wrapping paper. Wrapping paper. Okay, so what I'm thinking for this prompt is either we do a project using wrapping paper, or we can probably create our own wrapping paper. This one is over here. Oh yes, okay, there we go. We are on track. We'll continue to be on track to make a line. Okay, so to be honest, I don't have any wrapping paper in my house yet because I have not went to get any yet. Last year I think I used all my wrapping paper stash, which was a challenge to make it all combine, but I wanted to just, use everything instead of buying. But this year we can start fresh and have fun wrapping paper colors, I guess, if we wanted to pick. All right, so we have 3 on this side, and I'm going to see what I can come up with, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I think that for this prompt, I'm actually gonna be making some gift wrapping paper, and I wanna make this paper personalized so I can wrap my kids' presents and have their names on the outside. Now, of course, this will be for smaller presents, but I think they will still be really cute. So I have some leather stamps here. These are by Prima. I love that they have like some designs, and then I have these mama elephant stamps. They're just so cute. And then I'm gonna be using some ink, pink and red. So this one's called Rosebud, and this one is called something stuck, I don't know, it's just red. And I also have some black stays on because I don't know if I want to color, like stamp on black and color it, or if I just want to stamp them in the color. But well, I guess it will be a fun experiment. Now, of course, when you do gift wrapping paper, you usually need a lot more than one sheet. So my idea is to design one for each one of my girls, and then I can scan it and print it multiple times, and that way I'll have a few of their gift wrapping paper. I'm so excited, you guys. Okay, so we are gonna start by just stamping. Now we could also add some color, so let me see if I have this is gonna be a very mixed media-ish type of project. So I have some dilutions sprays, but I guess we could play with these and make a cute little rainbow. Now I'm going for like a pink Christmas theme here.
uncle and his new friend Jane.
Sister's back with what's his name.
All together once again.
And once a year is plenty.
After bouncing off the wall.
Hear the cackle down the hall. Too loud to think at all. Christmas time.
Okay, so I let the paper dry for a few hours actually, and I love how this is coming out. I know it's probably looking still pretty white on the camera, but I do love how shiny the paper became. So we have that glimmery of pink and purple, and then these splatters here, the pink ones, are kind of like metallic looking. So I love how it's coming along, but still pretty plain. So now we're gonna have some fun and do some stamping. So I'm gonna start with this one, and I figure I'll probably just speed the process here, but I'm going to start by stamping names here. So I'm gonna stamp my daughter's name, so I'm gonna do one for each. Have here my papers with the name stamp. I am already really loving this project. I know it's so different, but look how pretty it is to make your own little wrapping paper. And even if you don't want to use this as a wrapping paper, I know that's where the idea is coming from, but this could easily be pages for a journal as well. I'm just excited to have like a customized wrapping paper. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be inking or stamping some of these sweet little images here, and I'm just going to use the Stays On so that way I can color these. Now if you don't want to color, then you can also just stamp on any color to add some color to it, but I think I'm actually going to color these and just make it really pretty. I figure if I'm only doing this once, then again I can scan it and then I can have the customized wrapping paper for many years even. So I'm just gonna stamp some of these little images, and I'm using the Stays On. So if you want to color, I suggest you use the Stays On so you can color and then they won't bleed, the black won't bleed through. Okay, so let me move these over here, and maybe I can put, and for this just gonna have fun adding different ones. Now you can use the same image and stamp all over.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho, ho, ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so here you go. These are my handmade, personalized wrapping papers. So I'll just give you a quick look. This is the one that I did for Ariel. They're all pretty much the same besides the name, but also I had so much fun making these. This was so relaxing, like stamping, playing with the mixed media, you know, coloring. It was really relaxing. So I'm surprised how much I gained from making this project, because I really enjoyed the process. And now I'm thinking on doing maybe more, like more personalized, like the colors and their names, and then maybe doing a whole theme. Like I'm thinking of like a cotton candy type of Christmas colors. Now the background, it is very shimmery, but still looks kind of white, which I'm okay with. I don't know if I maybe want to spray a little bit more of the purple so it looks more purple. I know it's more purple than what is showing on camera, so in person looks really nice. But also I do plan on scanning these, so maybe I can play with the colors once I scan these and then make it a little bit darker so it's not, you know, so it doesn't look so white. But anyway, I really hope that you guys enjoy this idea. I hope that you like this project. I think this would be super cute if you have grandkids, little kids, and just kind of make them something really special, starting from the wrapping of the present. So yeah, so that is going to be the project for today. Again, I hope that you guys enjoy it. Make sure to leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you tomorrow with another project. Bye-bye.
Lines are busting out the door. Christmas songs in every store. Can't